What's up, foodies? This is how you butterfly and stuff a turkey breast like a chef. So let's get into it. Take one large skin-on, deboned turkey breast and lay it flat on your cutting board, skin side down. I left the turkey tender in, but if you prefer, you can remove it. It's totally up to you. Now this part might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry, you got this. Using a sharp knife, make a horizontal slice through the thickest part of the breast, but don't cut all the way through. Open it up like a book. If one side is thicker than the other, you can always give it a few more slices to even it out. Just be careful not to cut all the way through. Now if you want it even thinner, you can cover with some plastic wrap and give it a few gentle whacks with a meat mallet or a rolling pin. Season the whole breast with salt and pepper, and don't worry about the skin side, we'll do that when we roll it up. Spread the stuffing evenly over the turkey breast. This part can be a little messy. When you're adding the stuffing, avoid adding too much. An even layer will help you roll it up without the filling spilling out everywhere. Start at one end, carefully roll up the turkey breast like a giant meat burrito. Now grab yourself some butcher's twine. It's just a fancy word for kitchen string. Then tie your turkey every couple inches so it stays together while it cooks. Here's a little tip I like to use. Instead of looping the string just once before tying the knot, I loop it 3 times. I pass the twine under once, then again, and one more time to really secure it tightly. This way, when you pull the knot tight, it stays snug and doesn't loosen up during cooking. Then finish it by tying one long piece of string around the ends for extra security. Now rub the outside generously with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Now your turkey is ready for the oven. Place your beautiful stuffed turkey breast on a roasting pan. And then if you have one, insert a meat probe into the center. Now place it in the oven and roast the turkey for about 1.5 hours or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. I just wanted to quickly say, my new cookbook's out, foodies. Totally Greek, the FOOD-DEE Odyssey. Been working on this for a couple of years. This cookbook is inspired by my many travels through Greece. This book is bursting with delicious Greek recipes and beautiful photos, all taken by me, of course. Make sure you get a copy, links in the description below. And there you go, that's how you butterfly a turkey breast. Thank you for watching to the end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a subscribe down below, and until next time, FOOD-DEE out.